Hi there, boys and girls. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Teach Ellie, and we are going to be continuing to learn about basic sight words. Come on, let us have some fun learning today. Let us go. Okay, boys and girls, now we are going to be looking at our first basic sight word, and that is the word that. That. T H A T. That. T H A T. That. Now spell it with me. T H A T. That. Very good. Now learn to spell it on your own. Okay, very good. Let us spell it together one more time. T H A T. That. Very good, boys and girls. Okay, boys and girls, now we are going to be looking at our second sight word, and that word is the word width. Width. W-I-T-H. Width. Width. Now try to spell it for yourselves. Very good. Now let us spell it together again. W-I-T-H. Width. Again. W-I-T-H. Width. Very good, boys and girls. Okay, boys and girls, you are doing so well. Let us continue with another sight word, and this one says they. 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 T-H-E-Y. They. T-H-E-Y. They. T-H-E-Y. They. Now try to spell it for yourself. Okay, very good. Let us spell it together again. T-H-E-Y. They. One more time again. T-H-E-Y. They. Very good, boys and girls. Okay, boys and girls, you are doing so well. Now we are going to be looking at another sight word, and this word says can. Can. C-A-N. Can. C-A-N. Can. C-A-N. Can. Now spell it for yourself. Okay, very good. Let us spell it together again. C-A-N. Can. One more time. C-A-N. Can. Okay, boys and girls, you are doing so well. Very good. Now we are going to be looking at another sight word, and that word says you. Y-O-U. You. Y-O-U. You. Now spell it for yourselves. Very good. Let us spell it together again. Y-O-U. yo, yo. Y, O, yo, yo. Very good, boys and girls. You're doing so well. Okay, boys and girls. This is the last word in this series of 4 parts basic sight words. Now we are going to be looking at the word that says get. 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 G E T. Get. G E T. Get. G E T. Get. Okay, parents, boys and girls, we have come to the end of a 4-part series of videos. Please remember to share, to like, and subscribe to my channel, and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Please stay tuned for more videos on sight words. Thank you for watching.